Hello from Slovenia again. Today I taped down my plastic on all four sides completely, see, and I will do spiral dip on the black background, but I will use only white and silver, and I don't know, maybe I will add just a bit of gold at the end. I will decide. Maybe I should, just to break down this white and silver. I will use metallic silver, of course, and I expect to get kind of flower-like, if you would make it out of lace. What is the word? In Slovenia we have beautiful products made out of lace. It's called čipka, idrijska čipka. It is known around the world, I think, or at least in Europe. So sorry. So let's start. I will start with silver this time. White. And silver again. White again. You see, I did such a mess here. Or maybe let's try to do it just with silver and white, and we will see. I will do my sides and with tiny coat of black, just in case. Or maybe I will just spread this all around. Just a tiny coat to cover cover my canvas wet. I don't know, just a tiny coat. I will just I hope that I press my canvas as even as I could. I don't know. I don't like this middle part here. Where is my torch? I expect more lacing, more like this. And less of this. Maybe I should have left a little black in between, or add black in between. I don't know. I think that I pressed here, I don't know, a little differently. That's why I get this different effect, or my canvas released here at the end, so that I didn't get the result that I was hoping for. Let's see how this will look. I was hoping for more lacing and I didn't get it, so you know what I will do. I'll just put some black here around. And I will add black here too. And silver. silver. I wish you could tell me if I should add gold between. And let's redip this. I have a lot of paint on here. It's nicer, but I didn't get the effects that I was hoping for. So obviously this don't work. This black and white kind of dip that it should look like that it's made out of lace doesn't look like it. Just have my squeeze bottle here. I have to this one looks like a coral or something. I will leave it now because obviously this will not work. And if I redip and redip and redip, I will get only gray and nothing else. I'll just try to do this, and I think that I will add some black here because I don't like this here. Just have to grab a straw. And I forget that I was out of the frame. So I will take you for a close-up. So this is what is on the canvas. It's not bad, but not what I was hoping for. Just so much glare. I did get some of this lacing, but not as much as I think I would. Maybe it was a mistake that I didn't add black in between when I did the spiral, and oops, and it's just so much glare. And this is what is left on the surface. This is the way that I like it, but just so much glare that I don't know. I don't know. I will leave it and try to figure out how to do it to get this. Definitely if I would add black in between, I will get some contrast and nicer results. So this is it for today, and subscribe, like, comment, visit my Patreon site, Facebook, Instagram, whatever you like, and see you on the next one. Bye!